In English, goodbye. In Arabic, masalama. Or in Tagalog, paalam. English, prayer. In Arabic, salah. Or in Tagalog, dasal. In English, more. In Arabic, marra. Or in Tagalog, Thank you for watching. Please like and follow po sa aming page na Kaabang. Tsaka yung sa YouTube channel po namin na Go TV. Pa-subscribe na rin po.